We offer the SPC2 series Gran cutter. The Gran cutter series uses a swing press cut system advertised in our sales brochure as "It's not a granulator, but a Gran cutter." Do you still use granulators to reclaim sprues and runners? If so, let us explain the problems of using granulators. Granulators have difficulty with irregularly shaped processed materials that are often too heavy or too light. Additionally, dust, static electricity, noise, dirt, and limitations on the hardness of cuttable material are also a concern. HARMO's SPC2 Gran cutters are completely different from granulators. The SPC2 series solves all of these problems. The SPC2 is not a granulator, it's a Gran cutter. Let's compare granulated materials with Gran cutter materials from the SPC2. A granulator cannot process thin sprues and runners. It also leaves a powdery residue. As you can see, Gran cutter materials processed by the SPC2 duplicate the size of the original pellets. There is very little dust thanks to the excellent swing cutting process. In fact, we don't screen. We use a swing press cutting system. The secret is our swing and press cutting system, already patented in 9 countries. When the swinging press cutter mates with the stationary cutter, the sprues and runners are cut by the teeth and then easily pass through. There are no trapped pieces, thus no dust. In addition, there is very little static electricity or heat produced. The sprues and runners are first roughly cut between the rotating cutter and rotating cut stationary cutter. Next, the sprues and runners are cut at right angles on the swinging shaft and are promptly discharged. Because the particles are discharged immediately, the granules quality is similar to the original pellets. Despite all of this, the machine operates quietly, compared with very noisy granulators. Now, because of HARMO's uniquely shaped cutter, it is possible to cut soft-type resin sprues and runners. The SPC2S can efficiently recycle polyethylene, polypropylene, polyurethane, and various elastomers. Our company offers the only machine capable of recycling these soft materials. Now, let us explain the new features of the SPC2. First of all, the newly designed press cutter and its increased swings improves throughput dramatically. Although supposedly difficult to granulate hard materials like liquid crystal polymer, the SPC2 processes them easily with less longs and dust. The hopper is tool-free detachable. Further, the door clamp lever allows for easy maintenance. Grease nipples on the cam cover make lubrication work easy. Elimination of gaps stops particles from scattering, making cleanup easier. Cleaning is easy. 2 large panel doors open downward to allow greater cleaning convenience. The SPC2 series is equipped with a handle and grip point for easy movement inside factories. Finally, let us explain the SPC2 lineup. In addition to the SPC2 200, 400, 750, and SPC1 1500 models for hard materials, we have the S series for soft materials, the SPC2 200S, 400S, and 750S series. Also, we offer the SPC2H series with an anti-abrasion blade of high-speed steel for extra hard materials. An all-in-one GM2 series mixer can mix granules with virgin pellets. We offer a variety of models, each capable of different processing capacities. Optionally, we offer the compulsive sending system CSS and magnets to be mounted inside the Gran cutter's tank upon request. HARMO's revolutionary Gran cutter will reduce your plastic materials costs. Recycling materials help us save our planet. Eye on recycling.